Good morning, children. Welcome back to your social studies class. We all know that India has 28 states and 8 union territories. The country has both big and small cities. One big city located on the banks of the Yamuna River is Delhi. Delhi is a very important city. Why? Because Delhi is the capital of India. It is located in the northern part of India. As you can see in this map, children, New Delhi is located in the northern part of India. Delhi is a very important city. Since ancient days, the city has always been the seat of the Indian government. Both the Mughals and the British built beautiful monuments in the city. Since New Delhi is the capital of India, all the important buildings of India, such as the Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is the place where the President of India lives, and the Supreme Court, which is the highest court of India, are located here. Based on the place with a long history, Delhi has many monuments, minarets, tombs, haveli, palaces, cathedrals, forts, temples, and mosques. It also has a huge variety of cuisines and various types of food items. Delhi is also a famous metropolitan city of India. This is the Yamuna River. Delhi is situated on the banks of the Yamuna River. The city is located in the northern part of India. To its west lies Haryana and to its east lies Uttar Pradesh. It is divided into two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi. Most of Old Delhi lies along the Yamuna River. Delhi has grown over the years and is now called the National Capital Territory of India. Delhi has a rich heritage of monuments and has often been described as a tourist's heaven. Let's take a look at the famous monuments of Delhi. The Akshardham Temple. People from all over the world come to visit this temple and are fascinated by the magnificent architecture. The India Gate. The magnificent city of New Delhi, built during the British rule, is known for its style of buildings. India Gate, which is located at the center of the city, is a memorial for soldiers who died in the First World War. The Rashtrapati Bhavan, the residence of the President of India, is located near India Gate at Rajpath. It is famous for its Mughal gardens. Delhi is a very important city. Since ancient days, the city has always been the seat of the Indian government. Both the Mughals and the British built beautiful monuments in the city. India Gate is the national monument of India. It was built in 1931. There is a flame in the middle of India Gate that is always kept burning. It is known as the Amar Jawan Jyoti. It was built as a remembrance for the Indian soldiers who lost their lives in defense of their country. Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple in Delhi is a Baha'i place of worship. It is built in the shape of a lotus. Hundreds of people visit this temple every day. It is one of the most visited places in India. Qutub Minar is one of the oldest monuments of Delhi. Located in South Delhi, it is India's second tallest minar. It is built in red stone and has 5 stories. Within the same complex, stands an iron pillar that has not rusted till date, even after hundreds of years. The Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India. It was built by the Mughal ruler Shah Jahan in the year 1628. It is situated in Old Delhi and is made of white and red stone. Red Fort, which is also known as Lal Qila, was built in the 17th century by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. On every Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag here. Old Delhi is also famous for its marketplace Chandni Chowk. It is known for its havelis, wholesale markets, jewelry shops and street food. The people often visit Chandni Chowk to enjoy the extremely tasty street food available there. Now let's look at the street food of Delhi. Children, you know, the food of Delhi is very famous across the country. They serve the food from every part of India and they have their own unique style of making it. From chaats to cuisines to desserts, they serve a variety of tasty food. The chole bhature, chicken tandoori, palak paneer is very famous of Delhi. Delhi is one of the longest serving capitals and one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world. The metro trains of Delhi always run at an accurate time. Their punctuality is 99.7% of the times apt. Let's talk about the climate in Delhi. Delhi has a very extreme climate. The summer season in Delhi lasts from April to October. These are very hot and dry months in which a hot and dry wind called Lu blows. Monsoon arrives during the months of July and August. From November till February, Delhi experiences cold winters. People belonging to various regions and religions who speak different languages and wear different kinds of dresses live harmoniously in this city. They are called Delhiites. Various festivals are celebrated here with equal enthusiasm. Delhi truly represents the diverse cultures of India. Here is your task of the day. You have to submit a state report made by you for New Delhi.